Hello Jyoti, good evening. How are you?
Nice, Suman. I'm doing great. Thank you so much for your concern. What about you?
Yes, I'm doing exceptionally well. Thank you so much for asking. So, as you mentioned, today is your day off. So, how has your day been so far?
It was good, but yeah, I have lots of work to do in one day. So yes, I went to market, then I again went to market in evening. So yes, in morning
Mhm.
DMart. So yes, there was lots of housework, but yes, somehow I had managed.
Yes, exactly right. Okay, so as we are meeting first time, so I would love to know about you. Then we can do further conversation.
Yeah, definitely. So this is Jyoti Mishra. I am basically from Bihar, and I am working in a corporate sector, and my hobbies are reading books and traveling. And a month back, I have created my channel by the name of Jyoti Curious Mind, where I upload sometimes video because I don't get much time to conduct session. But yes, on weekends I conduct session and I upload, and otherwise I upload some shorts. So yeah, this is all about me.
Okay, all right. Great to know about you. So thank you so much for first of all for mailing me. And okay, so let me tell you my introduction in a brief.
Yeah.
So as you know, my name is Suman. I'm from Delhi. I'm a teacher by profession. I teach primary student. Apart from that, I give online classes for spoken purpose. Those are beginner students. And if I talk about my hobbies, so these days I love to connect with the people, especially to polish my English language. And sometimes I love to create solo video according to my time, I must say.
Okay, lovely introduction. So you provide
Mhm.
classes and offline too.
Yes, yes, right.
Okay, and you managing your YouTube as well as your home. Wow.
Yeah, right. So I think you are also doing great job. You are managing your home, your office, your YouTube channel. So you are doing much compared to me.
Like we both are working, so yes. But
Mhm.
household chores never ends. So yes, we have to manage our time to improve ourselves, to earn some money because if you earn money, so we get respect in society. Otherwise, what's you put on your kitchen, but there is no much value according to me.
Hmm.
So I
Yeah,
earning money is important.
yeah, exactly right. So sorry, Lakshya, please side. Actually, my son is just next to me, so he's doing something.
No problem.
Okay. Yes. So I have a one question. As you are married and you are working professional, so how do you make balance between relationship and your work professional?
Yes. I am struggling sometimes. I cannot say I am perfect, but yes, sometimes I am struggling to manage time because in my office there is no 9 hours login hours. We have to spend 9 hours. So
Okay.
then only you can leave office. Then
Mm-hmm.
Pune's traffic is hectic sometimes. In evening there is much traffic. So then I get time for my home, for my relationship. So yes, after that my all time is for my family. And my
Mm-hmm.
very understandable person. He knows everything. Like if I am not available, so he can manage everything. He knows everything. Like he can manage kitchen too. So I don't hustle a lot in my home because if you have that type of person, so yes, you don't have to struggle a lot in that time in this area.
Exactly right. So I think your husband reach at home before you, right?
Yes, the shift timing is different. So yes, whenever if he can come early to me, so he can manage home. Otherwise, if I come, so I can manage. So in this way, we both are managing our home. Then if I get time, so I prepare some solo videos, some shorts for my YouTube channel. So in this way, we then I love to playing badminton. So I take some time to play badminton
Oh my God, you are doing so many things. I must say you are wearing so many hats. So, how
Thank
do you manage your office, your home, your YouTube channel?
you so much. But yes,
Mm,
you can manage. Like if you want to do so, you can manage. And the other thing, we are,
mhm,
and it's ready-made nowadays. Like we get
mhm,
from market, everything is ready-made. So we don't need to think about like I need to spend time to everything is like ready-made. Uh, Spices and vegetable we can get easily.
mm.
Just need to prepare food.
Yeah, exactly right.
Sometimes
Okay.
have time, so we can order from Blinkit. There's lots of apps, Blinkit, then Flipkart also available like 10 minutes they provide. So yes, Blinkit, then Basket. So yes, in this way I'm managing. But yes, sometimes I struggle. Like I don't have much time to take rest.
Mm-hmm.
Sleep at least 2 hours, 3 hours. Sometimes you don't want to do something. You need some rest. But yeah,
Mm-hmm.
don't get much time. So in this part,
Mm-hmm.
sometimes I struggle. Otherwise, I don't have any complaint. I enjoy my life.
Okay, that's so beautiful. Okay, so as you mentioned, you started your YouTube channel to improve yourself, right? To improve your communication skills. So, do you have also environment to talk with the people in English? I think you must have environment because you are doing in IT sector, right?
Yes, I have environment. I can speak in office, and my husband also working in office, so he knows very well English. I don't know that much, but yes, he's professional in English. So whenever I get a new words, so I just ask him, "What does it mean?" and he explains very well. So
Okay, all right. That is the great opportunity you have. You can discuss, you can solve what where you get stuck. Or otherwise, if we don't have, so we have a artificial environment. We can take help through ChatGPT, and there are so many more application available. So we can take help. Okay. So may I know since how long have you been married?
it's around 2 years.
Okay. All right, great. So, did you do love marriage or arrange?
Arrange.
All right, okay. So, how it is possible to from Bihar to Pune? Just transfer job, or you already been there?
No, I was in Bihar only. It's also because of my father, so he has some connection to Pune. Like we, some relatives live there in Pune only, so that's why we get to know about his family and especially his parents. That's why we get to know about. There is some issue, I think, network issue. Your video got stuck sometimes.
Yes, I think now everything is okay,
No, your video is not properly visual to me.
but you are visible and audible. Sometimes this application automatic creates problems. Um,
Yeah,
from my side network is full, but on this application there is few poor network.
that's totally correct. Even when
Mm.
I conduct a Zoom session, it happens with me all the time. Like Wi-Fi has full network all the time, but still
Y-
it's lost
yes.
all the time. This is
Mm-hmm.
you cannot conduct a session without these type of things. Okay, so I have a question for you. How you have started your journey, your YouTube channel? I want to know from you.
Okay, so I can say I started my channel from the scratch. When I started my speaking journey, from that time I started my YouTube journey. I upload even first video my conversation. So I started to upload just for my memory purpose, but slowly and gradually I get nice views, lovely comments. So I thought let's start, continue.
Yeah,
So that's how I start. And if I talk about why I started my journey, so I shared many times with many co-learners. I started my journey because of just to enhance my personality, and the big reason is that I started my journey for my kid.
Okay.
I always thought if I'm able to communicate, so I can teach him, I can guide him. So this is the big reason, I must say.
Correct. Like our kids studied in English medium school. If I don't,
Mhm.
so I cannot make them understand what is the concern, what is the topic, what is the concept. So yes, mothers
Mhm.
to provide some guidance.
Exactly right. And I can say these days everything in English. If we don't know the meaning of English, the if we are unable to understand, so I think in a every situation or in a every field we get difficulties. So this is the mandatory for everyone this era.
Like you get a message in English only. If you don't know the basic English, at least you cannot survive nowadays.
Hmm.
Your what is your background? You are from Hindi or English, but English should be known to everyone. Otherwise, you will struggle at every point of time. And I have
Yeah.
of difficulties, not because of these part, because written I can manage, but yeah, I
Mm-hmm.
struggle a lot while speaking because
Mm-hmm.
our home and in our environment there is no such clarity where you need to speak, you can speak. There is no such space. We can,
Mm-hmm.
like if I want to speak in English, I can speak in my home, my office. But earlier it was not possible. So
Yeah.
I was not able to structure a sentence. No matter how good you are at grammar, but speaking is totally different.
Yes, yes. And may I know what forced you to come on YouTube channel?
To only like I has a lot of fear to camera. I
Mm-hmm.
thinking, no, I cannot face the camera. I cannot speak in front of camera. But somehow I have managed. Now I am comfortable, but still I hesitate. I still am
Okay.
comfortable, but I'm always trying to. No, you will have to do that. You can. Okay? Still, I have hesitant because I am a bit introvert type of person. So
Okay.
that's the reason.
Mm-hmm.
I'm not that much familiar with that that much person. Like you, when you are online, you are on YouTube. So there is everyone can see you. Everyone can.
Mm-hmm.
So you will have to think on broad perspective.
Yeah, exactly right. Yeah, I can understand. It's I can say in a blood or in a internally these kind of problem like camera fear and introvert kind of personality. So this is the natural things I can say. And if we really want to overcome these all things, so we need to do work. We need to do practice, right? Okay, so let's move the next question. As you mentioned, you are working professional and you have also YouTube channel. So how do you take time to yourself? Like, do you love to do yoga early in the morning? And how do you feel? How do you make feel comfortable to yourself and to calm and compose? Do you want these activity or just you love to wake up early in the morning and go to the office simply?
No, I always want to get some time in my morning. Like morning, at least 1 or 2 hours is very important. If your morning is
Mm-hmm.
good, then your whole day will be perfect.
Mm-hmm.
Want
Right.
at least 15 minutes or 20 minutes to yoga or some exercise. I love yoga, but sometimes I don't get time. Like if I get up late, woke up late, so I don't have time. So then I hurry. I don't have time, so I have to rush to office. Otherwise, I always try to at least sit down and do some yoga, some exercise. This is very good for your health, your mental health, your physical health. And in night, I play badminton to refresh my body. After dinner,
Do you play each and every single day?
yes. After night,
Wow. With whom oftenly do you play?
every day. This is compulsory. Like if I don't have much time,
Uh,
yeah. What you want?
okay.
Your voice is
I'm
breaking.
asking, yeah, you're too. I'm just managing. I think just because of poor network, I'm also unable to hear you properly. But somehow I'm managing. Okay. So I'm asking with whom do you play? Like with your husband or with your neighborhood?
Yeah, with my husband most of the time because he loves to. But when he has some call, like some meetings, urgent meetings, so he unable to go in the park because we play in the ground area. In societies, there is a big gardens. We play there. So if he is not available. So I play with my friend. There is lots of friends.
Hmm. So, at what time do you come back from your office?
My shift is 9 to 5. Because of traffic, I late. Some day 1 hour late is very normal because of evening traffic. Pune is famous for traffic, if you know. So there,
Same like I think Delhi. Same
yeah,
likewise Delhi.
this is
Because in Delhi also, let me tell you one funny thing. I hail in Chandigarh. So my friends oftenly ask me, Suman, when do you get bored? Like how many places in Delhi will you cover? Sorry, did you cover? So I always reply them, I don't go outside. So they get surprised. Why you don't? Because in Chandigarh, I used to go like mall or in my local area like alternate days, but when I come to Delhi, I just close to myself at in only home. I don't love to go outside because if you want to go outside, you need at least 1.5 hours, especially on the way. So who can like just waste their time? I don't love to waste my time. And I get irritated. I can't bear the traffic because I'm not habitual. When I used to live in Chandigarh, so there was no any traffic. So when I moved to Delhi, so I face a lot. So sometime I usually say to my husband, how do you bear? If I were in your place, I left the Delhi. So he always give me simple smile, and he says, "What should I do? Now we are become habitual."
correct. Like, but the issue is, I also not like to waste my 2 hours on the road only.
Hmm.
This is the main reason. But still, we have to go daily. So yes, we are habitual.
Hmm.
But
So yes, yeah. Go ahead.
so this is the time, this time we reduce. So we get at least 1.5 hours daily.
Okay. So what kind of vehicles do you use? Do you use uh public transport or do you use own vehicles or metro?
Especially, I use my own vehicle. But sometimes, if I want to travel by public transport, so but there is lots of bus in Pune, government bus. So yes, I love to visit. Mostly there is AC bus. So whenever I want to visit, so then I go by bus.
Okay. I think when we go by bus, then we can post some productive things in the bus. But if we go by drive ourselves, then I think this is really very tough to bear these all situations.
You will have to just sit there. You cannot do anything. You will have to active, totally active. You cannot even sleep.
Mm.
Like if I am in bus, so if there is huge traffic, I can sleep at least half an hour. But if you are on your own vehicle, so you cannot do anything.
Mm-hmm. But in Delhi, I can say you can't sleep also because in the bus, too much crowd, and you have to sit very careful with your luggage or with your things, so
Okay.
you can't sleep, yeah, in Delhi.
There is,
In
I think, in Maharashtra they provide camera, CCTV camera. So in bus,
Delhi also there are CCTV camera each and every single bus, but still people don't prefer to sleep. I think there is too clever person, so
yes.
you need to too much focus.
How is the weather right now? Like pollution and all the things. Now it's normal or not?
Yes, I must say everything is normal. Weather is also normal. Or yesterday it was drizzling, so today I feel bit cool, and there is no need to AC or cooler. Just we are under the fan, so this is enough. And if I talk about pollution, so these days pollution is also moderate.
Moderate. Okay. I think in November to December there is huge pollution because of
Hmm.
and all the things, parali. But then I think it's reduced after.
Hmm. Right.
But when you live there, so you are habitual. You don't think that much. But
No, no, no. I am not habitual. Whenever I go outside, I usually prefer to wear masks. If by chance, if I forget to wear my mask, I always cover my face with my dupatta. Because I get too much dust when I go out. I'm not habitual, I must say. It seems every dust particles inside to my mouth. So I always cover. Yeah.
correct.
That is the reason I don't want to prefer to go every single day outside.
In Delhi, my two sister lives there, so she always tell like the weather is not that much good. We don't go to outside with, especially kids. They get easily affected.
Hmm.
They don't want to.
Right, right. Would you like to share a few places which you like more in Pune, like visiting place?
Yeah, recently I have visited. There is a temple, Ganesh temple. There is, and the temple name is uh, Ganpati. Am I audible?
Mm-hmm.
You got stuck.
Yes, yes. Yeah, you are audible.
Yeah, so temple name is Lord Ganpati Halwai Temple. So this is very famous in Pune. If you search on YouTube or internet, you will get lots of result. This is very famous, and the temple is really amazing.
Okay, all right. I hear first time.
The Lord
I'm hearing first time this temple.
Lord Shiva is so beautiful. The way he sits, it's amazing. We don't get like we don't have option to get in the temple, but we can just view from the outside of the temple. But
Okay.
always there is very crowded area, and this is very famous area. Then the second is Shaniwar Wada. This is
Mm-hmm.
a beautiful place in Maharashtra. So these two places I like the most.
Okay, all right. Okay. That is great. Thank you so much for sharing. Okay, so do you have any other question or should we band up the session?
Yeah, I have a question for you. Do you think after learning English, your life has changed or some improvement are there?
Yes, of course. I must say, my life has changed totally after learning this language, after achieving this language. Let's take a live example. Just because of English, I'm talking to you. You are from Bihar, I'm from Delhi, and right now you are living Delhi, sorry, Pune. So we are just because of English, we are talking to each other, and you are working professional. So it's my privilege to talk with you, right? So I must say, we are not only conversing each other, we are getting ideas. We get we get motivate each other, and I must say, after learning this language, I changed my entire self. So yes, uh, before learning this language, I used to spend my time like to watch some dramas, to watch some serials, sometimes pictures, and I didn't recognize where I am wasting my time, or like just go with flow. But now I can say I'm using my time in a productive way. Yes, I can say I am also doing sometime fun activities or sometime watch movies, no doubt, but not every day I am wasting my time. So there is a abundance of change in my life. I i can say I can't count. So just because of English language, I get to know how much reading is important. Before coming to this platform, I hadn't had idea how much importance of reading. But after coming this platform, after accomplishment this language, am I visible to you?
You are not visual, but you are audible. You can continue.
Yes, yes, yes. I'm saying after accomplish this language, now I can understand how much important reading and how much important to do something productive. Like before before coming to my YouTube channel, I didn't realize my time actually. Like if I'm watching TV, so I continue watch the TV. If I was uh watch the TV, so I continue. So there was no any time limit. But these days I do my everything. I do my every activity with the timetable. So these all are effects, I must say.
Correct. Like English has that capacity to totally change your life. If you know English, if you are not allowed to go outside, if you have kids, like you are not get time to go office, you can do lots of things from your home only.
And we can also get a chance to meet with the like
Different
to great personality. There are so many YouTubers. They have really such a amazing knowledge.
yes,
So we can get a chance to distribute our knowledge, right?
you can talk to them. You can discuss idea. So in this way, you learn a lot. So
Mm-hmm.
I think this is a great platform, and YouTube is especially. I think this is especially for women. It is really amazing platform.
Yeah, right. Exactly right. It's a boon for everyone, I can say. If you are taking in a positive way, so it's a boon for those are especially live in a home.
Correct. Like if you have that courage, if you want to do something, you can do lots of things from your home only. You can provide session, online session, coaching. So yes, it has get a lot of effect. Like after this channel, I have get lots of to connect with them. I don't have time. That's why I am not able to connect. But yes, if I am available, because in night no, you are available. So otherwise, no one wants to connect after 7.
Yeah, I'm too. But you already mentioned I'm working and I can connect today because I'm on the holiday. So I thought, let's connect, let's grab this opportunity to talk with you. Otherwise, I don't prefer to talk in the evening.
Yeah,
I usually take a session, especially those are working professional. Otherwise, I also prefer to do conversation in the afternoon or in the morning, not in the evening. I
like
think there are so many responsibilities we have which we have to complete in the evening, right? And right now I'm talking to you, and my kids are playing around me. I think he's not doing study, and uh, his exam is tomorrow, so
yes,
its impact on his also.
correct. So let's wind up the session now. It was lovely session with you, and thank you so much. Bye.
Yes, yeah. Thank you, you too, to giving me precious time. And yeah, I absolutely say this was amazing session. Thank you so much once again. Have a uh, great evening ahead and good night. Bye bye.
Bye bye.
Bye bye.